one you want? Okay, mommy coming. Oh, wow. Yeah, you like them too? What, that one? Okay. We gotta push the button. Come here. Which one color you want? Which color? Come here. Which one? You want that? Oh, you want the tiger blood. Oh, you love that, don't you? Oh, okay. All right. She got the tiger blood, y'all. That's what she got, the tiger blood. And I got this strawberry shortcake, y'all. I love these. Oh, God, I don't even know I need them. But this is what I got. That was the truck. Y'all come out and get ice cream. And we usually go to these all the time, but Mama just enjoy herself. All right, y'all. Out. Don't forget to live, laugh, and just be happy.